Hey everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to a new feature that we have, our Members Best Trade of the Week. Members Trade of the Week. So let me show you the best member trade this week in the 10 Minute Trades trade room. Australia CPI has been an awesome report to trade over the past year. It's been trading monthly and quarterly. Looks like it's going back to quarterly possibly. Our member Robert A made $970. You could see his candle burst up, exploded, traded 6 contracts. The Australian dollar is just $5 a tick. It's a phenomenal profit, $970 on Australia's CPI. That was our members trade of the week. Now, if you want to be next week's trade of the week, make sure you make your way into the trade room for the busy earnings trades we have next week, jobs reports, bank statements. You could be next week's members trade of the week. This is Leigh Goldstein, Australia CPI, $970. Congratulations, Doc. Robert A., thanks for submitting your entry.